Hello Internet, today we will have my first React video. Sorry if my English will not be perfect, it's not my native language. And I believe you will get my message. Let's go.
Every day is an interesting day. Every day I come to work, it gets more interesting than the day before. Here we have an MSI 1590 Lightning Z, a $5,000 card that came in for repair. First time we work on this card.
Okay, and my React is not first time. This was my first time. 1590 Asus. This was my second time. The third 1590 is waiting. This was original with broken. And this is future. Maybe one day it will work or maybe not. And this is two pieces of gold, even higher value than gold. Let's go.
How much is the card? Right now, as of today, around $5,000. What's wrong with it? Why would a $5,000 card fail? The customer wrote MSI RTX 1590 Lightning Z. Resistors and rib pad on GPU PCB. That's the title. I do not know if customers are playing games with me or they want to test my patience. Description: I wanted to learn how to solder tiny 0402 resistors and was practicing on my GPU. I ended up ripping one of the pads and now the GPU will not post. If possible, I'd like to repair the pad trace and realign the resistors. The customer is practicing on his $5,000 GPU. I want to practice how to solve.
Okay, we don't care about this emotional damage.
What the values are. I do not know how the customer came about the value of the resistors or resistor.
So client has sent the values of resistors, but what I'm thinking about, client probably was trying to do this modder power boost, but he chose wrong card and probably wrong resistor. Let's go on.
But let's take a look. Let's go over the board.
I don't know why you need to look all over the board when it's you can see it. Where is the flux?
Right next to core, right? That's our core right here. And all the lines are going directly to the GPU core.
Yes, because this is strap resistors and usually they go to the core. That's normal.
The customer was trying to practice on the tightest spot on the board. Why go up the ladder one step at a time? Why not go 100 steps at a time?
Who understood this joke, please explain me.
It's a lot faster. What are the values of those resistors? I have no idea, no clue.
But client has sent you the resistor, so the client has more clue than you.
How can we find out? That's a good question. If somebody has a similar board, let me know. You can measure the resistors if you're dumb enough to open your GPU, because this time and age, you open your GPU to look inside.
Another emotional damage. Okay. If you are not dumb enough, you can download schematics for the 1590 and to look at straps, at ROM and resistors. Or you can also download a board viewer and to see the resistors. 100K, 33 ohms. Okay, let's continue.
And it stops working. Like the NVIDIA 6000, and they refused cards for me. I don't know. Should we blame NVIDIA? Was it a marketing stunt that they replaced?
Oh my god, we don't care about it. We need info
And now the card does not work.
about repairing.
But this customer here is something else. All he want to do is practice on his skills soldering a 402 resistor, and he chose this area here. I like the choice. What do we do?
And you're calling your client dumb because he pays you money.
Let's clean up.
I don't understand this.
And I'm anxious to know the values of the resistors the customer mailed over. Yeah, we do have a ripped pad. And we can tell the trace is going to a memory chip. Actually, not a memory chip. It's going directly to the GPU. That's why the card is not working. What is the value? What's the value of this resistor? Should we have a resistor here? Probably, most
No,
likely.
we don't.
Should we have a resistor here?
Yes,
Most
we do.
likely. What's going on here? Should we have one here? I don't know. The joint here looks factory, but this one doesn't.
Okay. But if we take a look at the picture, we can Google 5090 lighting PCB, then to choose any picture where is the best quality, and then download it and to see there is one missing, there is one missing, and there is one missing. So probably this is the truth. Another situation is two missing, one missing, but there is resistors at the bottom. Another schematics, one missing, one missing, one missing. But it's all lightning PCBs. Lightning PCBs. So, okay.
What should we do? I'm scratching my head as we speak. Maybe if I scratch it hard enough, I'll be able to figure it out.
No, you will make a hole in it.
Let's take some measurements. Meter in resistance mode. And I'm gonna measure in circuit, just to get an idea. If we go here, we have 10K. If we go here, we have 115 ohms. So we can already see that those two resistors are not alike, so we cannot base one value off the other. This one is the same value as this. I think all those lines will be the same value. What about this one? 111 ohms, same. What about this one? 111 ohms. And this one, 111 ohms. So all of them are the same. But can we assume that these two are the same also? Probably not, because this one looks like it's connecting to our firmware chip. Those, they are connecting directly to the GPU. Look at the lines. What's here? Do we have ground on any one of the pads? Meter in diode mode. So this is a resistor, and this is a resistor.
Yes,
So
because
this
it's
resistor is
attached to
going directly the
1.8,
GPU. Maybe we can
and this
check the
resistor
value of
attached
those
to the
resistors
ground.
here.
That's how strap
Meter in
resistors work.
resistance mode. 2.1K. It's no longer 110 ohms. We have 2.1K. We have 10K. We have 10K. We have 93.7K,
100K.
98K. So those are likely 100K resistors. And we're gonna assume that this is a 100K resistor also, because it's going to the core as well. 1, 2, 3 lines. We did notice that all those lines, they have a similar value, and we're gonna assume those lines, they have a similar value also. So 100K will go here.
Okay.
What about this one? We do not even know if we had components to begin with. These joints, they look factory. This and this.
Let's go further. It's not interesting.
Maybe we'll take it one step at a time. I shop at the car checkout day, and we almost always a week. If you placed other items in the shopping cart along with the shirt, then your order will ship out when we ship the shirt. There was a delay shipping out the shirts. A lot of orders.
They are short on the shirts?
We got through all of them.
Or on the shorts?
And the last batch
Short
went out
on
today.
the shorts.
We are on track right now. And one.
That's better,
All
Joe.
right, all right, doing good,
Than
doing good. Same
with ladders.
What's going on? And we're gonna get rid of the glare, just like that. And now everything is.
That's okay.
Through here, what's the value?
That's interesting moment.
Good. And let's measure to right here. That's good. And that's good. And let's take a look at a donor. A donor what? 3090. If we look at pin number 8, let's pick up this resistor here. What's the value in circuit? The value is 15K.
No, it's 100K, but it's on the board.
Maybe we can also check
It's
the
less.
EVGA 3090. We have another firmware chip here. And where is the value? Oh, exactly the same, 15K. We got it.
But there is a lot of another resistors connected. This is capacitor. Okay.
All right, so far so good. Now, like I said, I do not believe there's anything down here. And what about this one? So pin number 7. We should be able to figure it out, right? Just like we did with pin number 8.
Wait. He is measuring pin number 6. And here he was measuring pin number 7.
So pin number 7. We should be able to figure it out, right?
Right.
Just like we did with pin number 8.
But 7, 8 is on the 1. And now you are measuring on pin number
Right
6.
Okay, so let's go for this one. And what's the value in circuit? Meter in resistance mode. And we have 100K. I mean, it's a coincidence that this resistor equals the value of the other resistor, but it worked.
So he... What? Wait, stop. Pause. So he measured here. But because it's only 33 ohms, it's very possible that he measured this. Okay.
Are we gonna have a working card? If not, then I'm gonna still upload the video and we'll continue tomorrow. I'll probably be reading your comments, but hopefully we're gonna have a working card before I leave. Okay, and we are done. All we have to do is test. And oh, wait a minute. We have two 12V PWR connectors. Like I said, this is the first time we got this card in, and I just realized the card has two 12VH PWR connectors and not just one. I'm only set up for one 12VH on my power supply, and we can probably add another one, but we're gonna have to either replace the power supply or add more cables to the power supply. I don't know if the card will work with just one, but let's try.
No, it will not.
We can try it.
Power monitoring microchip will not allow to start the card.
And before we put the heatsink on, let me just connect one of the 12VH cables.
And he's calling his client dumps.
And we just want to see an image, right? And the card has an HDMI connector. On. The GPU is not getting hot, so the card did not turn on. No heat on the GPU at all. Let me do a quick measurement. Do we have 12 volts? We have
That's
4 inductors
strange.
on top. It's not intentional.
Okay. Okay, better than factory.
I'm very confident, and I'm hopeful the card will work. We did everything that we could.
Most important to be confident. Okay, it's enough with this. We can take a look at board viewer. Maybe he will watch my React video and he will be able to figure out which straps should be or which should not be, what resistors should be. Good luck for all those who believe in such services and such repairs. By the way, you can see, where is my capture card? I have one Miracle 3070, 16 gigabytes, and it passed the test. It's good, and it works in so I'm doing a little bit repairs with the graphic cards. If you need repair or need advice, I don't do advices, I'm repairing the cards. Okay, good luck, thank you for watching, bye.